Have you ever felt like you're in a hopeless situation, feeling trapped in a chaotic life with no apparent escape? Allow me to share my story. I grew up in a broken home where I used to be alone. Sun rises and sets that I am in the same room. Neighbors are wondering how I managed to stay the whole day without me leaving. I am used to be alone. I don't want to bother anyone even if I am sick or lonely. I got 3 brothers, but we don't care about each other. When I got into college, things changed. I hung out with friends, drinking, womanizing. I even lied to my mother to get her hard-earned money just to spend on those habits. I trusted myself that even I'm doing those things, I can finish my studies and have a comfortable life. Finally, everything I did strikes back. I did not finish college and got depressed thinking that I do not have a future left. My solution is to join the army as they are accepting undergraduates. I did everything that is required and waited for a regiment that is open for recruitment. While waiting, I landed on a job just to pass the time and keep on doing the same sins. I did not realize that while I'm doing those sins, I'm enclosing myself in it, not leaving a way out. When I finally go back to my province to check if the army is open for recruitment, I discovered that I already missed the chance. I failed, and whatever I tried, I failed. When I got the chance, I worked overseas, and my brothers follows. Even I am sinful and a failure. God did not turn away from me. It is just my eyes are closed to see it. He uses my mother to put me out of depression, allowing me to get a job in Dubai. He gathered my brothers with me to take away my loneliness. He uses his church, CGCF, for me to know him, to know my purpose, and experience his presence, goodness, and love. My eyes are now open to see amazing miracles he's doing. My life is now peaceful and comfortable with full of hopes. He changes me and my life changed. Now I am serving and worshiping the Most Highest King in spirit and in truth. I am Carl Joy Alison Rayo, testifying that when it seems no way out in our difficult situations, He is always there, the way, the truth, and the life.